Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking this Bosch rechargeable vacuum cleaner, model number BBH2RB20GB. The main body, the instruction book, charger, the handle, and the main head. The push bar just slides out for easy cleaning and then slides back in. It just clips on. To fit the handle, there is a screw on the back. And then the handle just pushes over and put the screw back in. I'll do that up properly in a bit. It's got 2-in-1. If you press the button, this front section will come off, which has got the hand back in it. It is just one speed. A bit of switch in there. And that clips on the front. It is 2-speed when you want to use it as a upright vacuum cleaner. And that is about everything, how to build it up. Thank you for watching. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.